New for model year 1989 was Ford New Holland's versatile Designation 6 846 tractor, manufactured in Winnipeg, Manitoba. It became part of the new Big Blue lineup of articulated four-wheel drive tractors from the company, which included three other Designation 6 models: the 280 engine horsepower Model 876, 325 engine horsepower 946, and 360 engine horsepower 976. Ford New Holland dealers were introduced to the new blue and white paint scheme on Designation 6 tractors at their annual dealer meeting held in Las Vegas, Nevada in 1990. Ford New Holland acquired the Versatile Tractor Corporation in 1987 and had produced the Designation 6 tractors in the traditional Versatile red, yellow, and black paint scheme through model year 1989. The Ford Designation 6 articulated four-wheel drive tractors were manufactured through 1993. The 846 was the entry-level model in this lineup, powered by a 10-liter Cummins LT10 A280 after-cooled turbocharged 611 cubic inch engine rated at 230 engine horsepower. This machine has a PTO horsepower rating of 202 to operate power takeoff implements like grain carts, forage harvesters, and manure spreaders. The tractor is fitted with a 246-gallon diesel fuel tank. Ford customers ordering this tractor new could choose between two different transmissions. The first option was a 12-speed constant mesh with 12 forward and 2 reverse speeds, which allows the tractor to travel from 2 up to 13.5 miles per hour. The second choice was the optional full power shift with 12 forward and 2 reverse speeds, allowing the tractor to travel from 2.2 up to 15.9 miles per hour. The full power shift transmission added an additional cost to this machine of $13,757. When the tractor rolled off the assembly line in Winnipeg, Manitoba, it weighed in at 18,100 pounds, and it can be field weighted all the way up to 24,900 pounds. When the 846 Designation 6 tractor was brand new, the base unit had a price of $81,456 with the constant mesh transmission. The tractor that you're watching in this video is working in western New York State, preparing the seedbed for corn planting. It's operating a 30-foot wide John Deere 980 Field Cultivator and a 32-foot wide Unverferth 1225 Rolling Harrow. hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field hearing and seeing this Ford Designation 6 846 articulated four-wheel drive tractor at work. I'd like to hear in the comment section below this video if you use Ford tractors or versatile tractors on your farm. Tell me about the model that you operate and the implements that you run with it. If you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional tractor content from the channel, continue to watch for a few more seconds to the end screen for a direct link to more Big Tractor Power YouTube. As always, thank you for watching.